Hey folks, chilly out there tonight all across the valley. It's been cold all day. Even with temperatures warming into the 50s, that strong north wind, it's felt colder than it is. I hope you had a coat today, and you're going to need one tonight. Freeze warning and a wind chill advisory. Freeze warning means temperatures down around 32 or below, anywhere shaded in purple. Wind chill advisory, same thing. It's going to feel even colder than that. It'll feel like it's in the 20s because the wind's going to stay with us on and off much of the night. Here's a look at your current temperatures, and right now we're still in the 50s in the west. We've now dropped to the 40s in the eastern part of the valley, 46 in Port Isabel, the cool spot. So the map's kind of backwards right now. Usually the cooler readings are in the west. Overnight tonight, temperatures are going to bottom out right around freezing, give or take a couple. And if you notice the little numbers, that's how many hours you'll be at or below freezing in those cities. And we're talking about at the airport. So like in Edinburgh, that airport's north of town, 32 degrees. So in town, it could be a degree or two warmer than that, but you get out farther into the country and ranch lands up here, you could be looking at 28 to 30 up here, 28 to 30 up around San Ysidro, back around Roma. So you get an idea how chilly it's going to be tonight. Just an hour or two below freezing in most of these areas, maybe just a little bit longer in Raymondville. Now tomorrow's highs, we bounce back up, upper 50s, low 60s, but that's still cool with bright sunshine, a north wind. So it's going to be just a little unusual for November to have a day that even with bright sunshine, we don't reach much warmer than the low 60s. That's quite unusual. Then tomorrow night, potential for freezing temperatures again. 28 to 45, coolest in the west, warmest at the beach tomorrow night. We'll get a better look at that later tonight and tomorrow. High temperature wise, the normal for this time of year is 81. Tomorrow will be 59, 65, 72. Probably won't get back to normal anytime during the next 7 to 10 days, I don't think. Doppler network has now gone quiet. The rain has moved out. Cloud cover wise, it was thick for much of the day, but you can see that back into the clouds making its way across the valley, and we should clear out overnight tonight. Patchy clouds possible near the coast overnight, but other than that, mainly clear by 8 a.m. You're looking at those freezing temperatures west and north. And then during the daytime, sun comes out, still breezy. Still cool, we'll call it, with highs around 60. Near freezing again Thursday morning, and then Thursday afternoon, bright sunshine again. Warms temperatures up just a little more. I think we still see plenty of sunshine on Friday as well. So a pretty week, but a pretty cold week at the same time. Look at the rain chances. The next 3 days, nothing. I think Saturday's dry as well. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, things change a little bit. Chance of rain will come back in the forecast. All the moisture has now moved out of Texas, out into the Gulf, so Texas clear as cold air has built in, courtesy of the high pressure area that tomorrow is still right in the middle of Texas. It does push eastward by Thursday, but not much. And by Friday, it's finally working its way out of the state. Our winds will come back out of the southeast. That'll bring the warmer, slightly more humid conditions back in. And then by Saturday, here comes a front on the map. That front probably gets in here Sunday and may stall right on top of us. And when that happens, we don't really cool off, but the rain chance comes back into the forecast and may be with us for much of early next week. At the coast, north-northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. The bay is still choppy. UV is high. No advisories for tomorrow. A high risk of rip currents. There's a low tide during the lunch hour. A high tide tomorrow night at 10:38. So for tonight, 32 is your average low. You saw the numbers on the map. West is a little cooler. Along the coast is a little warmer. Freeze warning, though, in effect. North winds at 10 to 15. Then tomorrow, sunny and cool, high of 59. Northwest winds 10 to 18. But again, plenty of sunshine, but a cold start. We start here, go up to there. It takes all day to get there, so it's a chilly day. A little warmer Thursday. Friday looks nice, 72. Over the weekend, we start to bring some clouds in, and by Sunday, the chance of rain shows up and lasts into the middle part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.